Hey guys, how's it going? This is Danish here with Jumbo World, and today we are unboxing the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. The flagship device from Huawei comes in a really nice box and in a really nice color, but we'll come back to that in just a minute. Inside the box, you've got a clear case for it. You've got the SIM tool, you've got headphones, you've got a 66 watt charger. That's what's most important here, a charger in the box as well as 66 watts, and you've got the charging cable. Now, as soon as you get your hands on the device, the first thing you notice is this really nice 6.76 inch 88 degree angle curved 90 hertz OLED display. It is a beautiful display to look at, and if you notice on top, you've also got a dual selfie camera system. Talking about the cameras on the back of the device, apart from this beautiful design which shines, I have no idea how many colors, and gives you this extremely beautiful look, you've also got what is called the space ring design, which houses the phone's 50 megapixel triple camera setup. So you've got a wide angle, an ultra wide, as well as a telephoto lens. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this phone comes with 66 watt wired charging. It comes with 50 watt wireless, super fast wireless charging, and it comes with a 4400 milliamp battery. Powering the phone is the Kirin 9000 processor. Now, that is supported by 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. If you have used a Huawei device before, you know that the Kirin processors last a very long time and are very powerful. Running the phone is Huawei's EMUI 11, which runs on Huawei mobile services. Looking for apps through the app gallery is easy, and there's even a petrol search to find apps that are not on that app store. Now, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is available at Jumbo Electronics in Mall of the Emirates and across the UAE for dirhams 3,999. The great thing about buying it from Jumbo is that there are a varied amount of ways that you can get your hands on the device. First and foremost, if you want, Jumbo offers delivery in just 4 hours from the time of purchase. If you want to come and collect it, you can come to the mall and ask for what is called a curbside collect, whereby you pay for it online and it comes right at the door while you're in your car, and you can pick it up. If that's not an option, you've also got click and collect, whereby you buy it online and come and collect it right at the store. Last but not least, you also get Jumbo Salama, which is their extended warranty program. If you're buying a device from Jumbo, don't forget to check it out.